So if you're seeing these kind of piles of soil or sand or whatever you have in your area, you probably have mole crickets. After it rains, they surface and they make these piles or these circular holes. I'm going to show you some more examples. Again, some more piles. This one actually has a hole. See the hole? Yeah, so I got the hole over there. Here's another one with the hole in the pile. And again, after it rains, they surface. And you might also notice that your lawn is starting to die because they eat the roots of the plants, from what I understand. So you have these spots on your lawn which are dead, and you don't really understand why. Now, typically to kill these things, I found you got to use some of those grains, or the pesticide grains, or the sprays that attach to your hose. So probably about $20–30 worth of stuff, and they'll be gone. And they seem to come out in June is typically when I start to see them. And there's another.